Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about pound index and trades in pound pairs. So let's get started. I made this pound index 40-minute chart on the 7th, and today is 9th. So on the 7th, this is my Elliott wave count. After finishing here, this is wave 1, 2, wave 3 is either 161% or a little bit more. So it was a little bit more, and add to this level. This is a big, huge level in pound index, 5260. Let me show it to you if I can quickly. Well, let me go here. Actually, I have it here. Where pound? Okay, here. See pound index monthly chart. This level is this big low here. You know, it's between like 10 years, more than 10 years span. That was the lowest point, 50 to 60. And that's where we were dealing on what day? The 7th. We finally came and we hit that number, 50 to 60. So I said, okay, we're going to bounce for wave 4 around maybe 38%, right? Usually that is the calculation for the wave 4, 38% of wave 3. So look at this chart. What happened? Boom. It went up there straight to 38%. This is where it is right now. What I wrote on the chart when I made the chart was this, that if it stays above 50 to 60 and bounce and go for wave 4, then all pound pairs will go up except euro pound. So you got 5 or 6 pound pairs, right? So more or less. So what happened? If they are going to go up, then I should take the trades, right? If not, then what is the use to make this chart, right? So this is what happened to this. And what did I do with these pound pairs is this today. Yesterday was very dead day, but today I got this. See, yesterday it was going up and trying to set me up a setup, right? So this is a buy order here, pound Aussie for 95 pip, gone straight with the wind today on the 9th. And okay, where is the other one? This pound yen, beautiful entry on the 9th for 75 pip, long. Pound USD, I forgot to close here because that was a very big number here, very big resistance, 21.94. I overlooked that, and then it just dropped. So even from my entry to this yellow line here was 40 pip. Usually I don't record the 40 pip or 50 chart unless it's a 50 or more. So these are the 3 trades I caught based on this simple chart of pound index. Okay. Another one I missed. Which one is this? See that? It is a pound CAD. This entry, I don't know, somehow my alarm didn't beep. I didn't see the entry. Otherwise, this also would have been 90 or 100 pip trade from here. Let's see from here. See that? In this area, 114, 100. This would be the biggest one, but bad luck, right? So 4 of these pairs basically gave me beautiful entries. 3, I took. This 4th one I just missed, right? So this is what the power of the index, watching the index chart. And this is how I do my analysis and all of that. So if you want to learn how to do this and how to take the trades like that, it's easy. Once you learn it becomes easy. Now, by the way, the US dollar index is on the rise again after dipping a little bit. See, it dip here, and then it's 0.893. It is on the rise, and all USD pair will react to. How they're gonna react to? Like this. If the index goes up, these pairs will go down. These pairs, will go up. So now I'll be looking for these trades: Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie is down. I don't trade in USD, and long trade in USD CAD and USD Yen and USD Franc. So this is what I'm going to look for tonight, and let's see what happened. I'm done with pound. Pound is going to adjust now. So 3 good trades in pound index chart based on pound index chart. This was my chart, and this what happened, right? So it's going to probably, if the wave 4 is not doesn't come in this straight line, so it might drop. It's gonna drop here maybe, and then go up again. It's this A, B, C, right? Nasty triangle or something, or a regular flat or something is gonna make here. So I'm not gonna be bothered with this now, and I'll be going for USD hunt. All right, so I'm going to be showing my trades tomorrow if I get any in USD pairs. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. If you like the video, don't subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because as soon as I upload the video, you get it. And sometimes I give you a very good setup as well, so you can take nice trades, right? Just like this USD going up. Get ready. You're gonna get a lot of trades here with the USD. Yes, beautifully going. It bounced from this area. It's going, bypassing the 1026. 1026. Where is 1026? It's a monthly number. 1020. Yeah, right there. So it is just edging up. It's gonna go all the way here. 1753, and all the USD pair will be reacting to this move to the upside. And I'll be taking those trades one by one. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.